those of you who are not familiar with playing in odd time signatures, there's absolutely no reason to fear. It's really easy to approach it. When we are talking about 13/16, 17/16, no one really counts to 13, 17. That's not possible. The secret lies in making subdivisions. If you have 7/8, you can count 3 and 4. Or you can count 4 and 3. It really depends on the groove you want to play. You can also count 2/3/2, so you get different accents, or 2/2/3, or 3/2/2, depending on what you want to play. It makes it very easy to approach odd time signatures. And now I want to play for you a whole bunch of different examples through many odd time signatures. And I'm always going to make these subdivisions. 1, 2, 3. You see, playing in odd time signatures is no mystery at all. The only thing you have to manage, and that's the most important one and the most difficult one, to get rid of counting. First, you're gonna count to understand it, and then the challenge is to get it from your head into your body. Practice it many times until you forget counting, to get the groove organic. If you like this video and if you want to stay at the ball, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time.